If you're already a freelancer or you're thinking of getting into freelancing, then the number one most important thing that you need is to find the perfect niche that has these two things: high demand and low competition. And let's be honest, a lot of niches are becoming saturated with thousands upon thousands of sellers. That's why, as we begin 2024, I thought it's a great time to give you guys 10 high demand, low competition freelancing gigs that you can start offering on Fiverr. And I'm also thinking about making this a monthly video series.
Oh my God, okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
So if you do enjoy this video and get some value from it, thumbs up and drop a comment below telling me that you want to see more. In the digital realm, a good domain name is like prime real estate. Domain research is a unique and often overlooked gig. This involves scouting for domain names with high search volume keywords and strong valuations. Whether it's for a new website or an established one looking for a domain with a solid history and backlinks, your expertise can be invaluable. In this niche, competition is surprisingly low with only about 224 services available, and freelancers in this field can charge between $10 to $100, making it a lucrative and less competitive path to an extra income. Designing Spotify banners is way overlooked and a creative niche that combines a love for music with graphic design. As Spotify continues to dominate the music streaming industry, artists and creators are constantly seeking eye-catching banners to enhance their profiles, whether it's for playlists or now, more commonly, podcasts. With only 179 services listed, this gig offers a fantastic opportunity for graphic designers to showcase their skills. Prices range from $10 to $50, making it much more profitable and 1,000 times less competitive than logo design. In the world of digital marketing, emails are a critical touch point. An email designer crafts visually appealing and effective email layouts for businesses, a skill that's in increasing demand as email marketing grows. Despite its importance, this gig remains low in competition on Fiverr, with under 5K services offered. Learning this skill can also be pretty easy with either paid courses or YouTube tutorials. This niche is perfect for those who love culinary creativity and writing. With just around 1,700 services offered, food recipe content writing is a specialized field with less competition than other copywriting niches. This gig can get you anywhere from $10 to $50 per project, and it also allows you to offer multiple gigs under this one category, such as food blogs, restaurant menus, and much more. If you know anything about the crypto industry, then you know what a white paper is. White paper writing is a big requirement for businesses needing comprehensive, authoritative reports on specific topics. This gig is especially popular in technical and crypto sectors. With approximately 2,000 services on Fiverr, it's a great gig to start for any skilled writers. Rates vary from $50 to $200, depending on the complexity and the length of the white paper. Instagram highlight icons allow users to add a personal touch to their profiles. It's a simple yet creative task, perfect for those with a basic understanding of design trends. As the truth is, you can use canva.com to pretty much do this job for you, so it's easy money. With around 2,400 services on Fiverr, the competition is moderate, but the demand is consistent. Prices range from $10 to $100, but the bonus is that you don't really need to make anything yourself because Canva will provide you with numerous different styles that you can use. First impressions matter. True story, right? Well, for website banners, they also matter. They set the tone of a website and communicate the brand's message while providing good call to actions. And with 2,200 services available, this gig is another great one for graphic designers and creatives, with prices ranging from $5 to $150. And the demand is high. App and website preview videos are essential for businesses looking to showcase their digital products effectively. This gig involves creating engaging demo videos that highlight the features and usability of apps or websites. With only around 400 services listed on Fiverr, it's a niche with super low competition and high demand. Freelancers can expect to charge around $100 on average per service, making it a profitable avenue for those with some average video production skills. For gaming enthusiasts with video editing skills, creating gaming montages can both be enjoyable and profitable. Now, this gig involves simply editing gameplay footage into entertaining or highlight-packed videos. And despite the popularity of gaming, this area has only about 1,700 services on Fiverr, which is quite surprising for me, providing a pretty good opportunity for those who want to jump on this now. And sellers in this niche charge per minute of edited footage. And the last one I want to mention is podcast marketing. This is a growing niche and ideal for those with a strong social media presence. This gig involves promoting podcasts to relevant audiences by leveraging your online influence. With around 283 services on Fiverr, it's a niche with, again, super low competition. The cost for each service ranges from $10 to $80, making it a great opportunity for social media savvy individuals. And that right there is 10 high demand, low competition Fiverr gigs for freelancers wanting to get orders fast. Now, the trick is to just pick a niche that resonates with your skills and interests. But as I showed you, you also don't always need to be skilled in the niche that you're offering your services in. And again, don't forget to let me know in the comment section if we should turn this kind of video into a monthly series where I research the best low competition niches for you, so you basically don't have to do it yourself. Otherwise, thanks again for watching. I do truly appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.